Today we will be testing the Guppy multiple moving average.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Guppy multiple moving average. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 51 different strategies, with 13 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 575 indicators, with 238 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test all these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the Guppy multiple moving average. And you can see it here on screen. And so basically we have two different clusters of moving averages. You can see that there are blue ones here and there are purple ones here. And the setup on this is going to be relatively easy. What we're looking for is when the purple moving averages break either below, all of them break below the blue ones, or they break above the blue ones. And so when they break down below, we are going to go short. When they all break out above, then we are going to go long. That's the setup we're looking for. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. Alright, so the first signal that we picked up was a long signal right here. What I did was I went in and added another one of the indicators. I turned off all the blue on one and all the purple on the other. Makes it a little bit easier to just be able to identify when things get kind of scrambled together there. Anyways, we pick up this long signal right here, but almost immediately we get a rejection and a strong push back to the downside there, which stops us out on that one. Then we pick up a long signal right here on this one, and you can see that we get a nice push to the downside here, which does come down and get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, then we pick up a short right here on this one here. As soon as we get that short, the push to the downside continues right there, getting us to take profit on that one. Then over here on this side, we pick up a long signal right here as price action pushes to the upside. That one also gets us to take profit. So far we're looking pretty good. What I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the testing. That way things don't get too long. And we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, so that's going to put us at the end right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, and trading philosophy in general. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested. That comes in an Excel version and a PDF version. And you will get that full list of indicators showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested that shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates, and links to go back and review those individual strategies. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Get everything in focus. There to there. Let's go ahead and count them out. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 trades all together. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 winning trades. And so that is going to meet the 60% criteria that we are looking for. All in all, it's not a bad indicator. Definitely give us a reasonable win rate. I wish it gave us more trades within 1 year's time. But the way it's set up, it helps to really kind of filter out that choppiness, those consolidation moments in the market. And it did so rather well. It would have actually gotten another win right here if there wouldn't have been a gap down from 1 week to the next, which is what caused that that trade right there to be stopped out. And so yeah, all in all, not a bad indicator. This one is going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.